Hi everyone, welcome to 52nd DevLog episode of Building Browser Online Game. And today I planned to do several things. First of all, I wanted to change design for main page and for login page. It's not very convenient, when I need to start many types of jobs, fleet job, or worship job, attack job, battle job, and whatever. And I wanted to do something which will start all jobs I need at one time without my attention. I moved all my jobs to Docker, like job attack, worship queue, battle, default, pirate logic. And now I just need to start my Docker containers and all listeners start together in one time. It's much comfortable. And now, we can see that, my two jobs, they are working. It's related to resources and pirate logic. And it's much better. And I changed design for main page. Right now, it's very, very easy. It's very, very simple. Just title and two buttons. It's much better than just blank page. And I can log in or I can register myself in the game. Of course, after logging, I can log out. I add special menu option in my navigation and log out with React, and it works. And after that, I decided that I need to update pirate logic, and I added special road for it, test pirate logic. I added it here. So I just add new road, and I repeated logic in my pirate's job. And I did it only just for test, because it's not very convenient just to restart job every time and update my database and blah, blah, blah. So I just decided to do it in a stupid way. But it works and I can test everything I want. So I tested my solution with pirate service. Right now, if one of fleets has been sent to player, so we will go to different branch in my condition. If pirates can send new fleet, pirates can think that maybe we can create new warship, for example, or something else. But right now we are thinking only about warships. So, and for that, I just check total warships in the city. It's easy, nothing so special. And if it's less than 100, it means that Pirate Island can build new warship. So, and for that, we just, need to have enough resources for it. And I'll check it with my dictionary, warship dictionary. And I find a row with ID 4, which is frigate, because pirates can't build battleship, but they can build frigate. And if island has enough resources for building frigate, it means that I can calculate what warship will be created. In our case, it means that if Pirate Island has at least 1,000 gold and 200 population, it means that this island can create one of these 4 warships. And I have special chances for it, and it's like a proportions. Because, for example, if we say that maximum we can have only 100 warships, means that it could be only 50 laggers, 25 caravels, and 20 galeras, and 5 frigates. Pirates can't build battleship because it's not very logical, I think. Battleship is a very big ship which can be built only in a big city. Pirates Island is not a big city. So after that, I calculated some chances for it, and I just choose one warship ID. It's a warship ID which will be created. So, and after that, if I have enough resources, I just double check it. So I can create a warship queue for this city, for Pirate City, for Pirate Island, and I add new function, order worship. It means that we just put new order in worship queue. So, and after that, of course, we decrement some resources from pirate island. So nothing so special. And now I can comment this below, and if I update my page, I can see that, pirate island had this amount of resources, and this amount is the maximum resources which is needed for Frigate. So it means that, we have enough resources, and Pirates is building worship with ID 3 city 212. So if I update this page again, Pirate is building worship 1, worship 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4. So, and I can see worship queue, Okay, right now it's incorrect, because we can have so big worship queue, in Pirate Island. At one time, it will be only one queue because of that condition. So if you have some worship queue, even if it's just one, so we will just skip this step. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, leave a comment if you have something to say, and see you in the next episode. Bye.